What if I told you there's one AI platform that can build websites, create presentations, generate images and videos, write research reports, and even deploy your projects, all from a single prompt? Well, that's exactly what we're going to test in today's video. Instead of jumping between multiple AI tools and paying for several different subscriptions, we're going to use just one platform called Runable. We'll build a beautiful premium luxury travel landing page completely from scratch. Along the way, I'll show you how to generate custom images, create cinematic AI videos, edit your website using simple prompts, and finally deploy it live to the internet, all without writing code. So if you've been looking for an all-in-one AI agent that can actually build real-world projects instead of just answering questions, then you're going to love this one. Let's jump straight into Runnable and see what it can do. Okay, guys, here we are on the official Runnable website. If you've ever wished there was one AI platform that could handle almost everything instead of switching between 5 or 6 different tools, that's exactly what Runnable is built for. Runnable is an all-in-one AI workspace powered by a single intelligent agent that can build full-stack websites, create presentations, generate images and videos, write research reports, design social media content, produce audio, and even deploy your projects, all from simple natural language prompts. Instead of just giving you suggestions, Runnable actually performs the work for you, combining coding, design, media generation, and deployment into one seamless workflow. Right here, we can see one of Runnable's biggest advantages. Instead of paying for multiple AI tools every month, Runnable brings all those capabilities together in one platform, helping you save money while keeping everything in a single workspace. So now all you need to do is click the first link down in the description and create your free Runnable account. Runnable is also available on mobile and desktop, so you can download it on your iPhone, Android device, Mac, or Windows computer and keep building wherever you are. So once you sign in, you'll be taken to this clean and modern dashboard. Right here in the center is the main prompt box where you simply describe what you want to build, whether it's a website, app, presentation, report, image, video, or much more. Above it, you can switch between agent, ask, and grow modes, depending on your workflow. Below the prompt box, you'll find quick shortcuts to instantly start building websites, slides, reports, spreadsheets, and other projects. So now, just to put Runnable's power to the test, I'm going to design an advanced luxury travel landing page for a fictional brand called Aurora. The goal is to create a premium Apple-inspired website with a cinematic hero section, elegant animations, glass morphism effects, and a fully responsive layout. Later in the tutorial, we'll also use Runnable's built-in image and video generation features to create custom assets for our website. So by the end, you'll see how easy it is to build a real-world project using just one AI platform. So the first and one of the most important steps in building a website with AI is finding design inspiration. For inspiration, you can explore websites like Dribbble, where you'll find thousands of creative UI designs, or browse Pinterest for even more ideas. For example, I found this hero section that I really like, so I simply took a screenshot of it. Then I came back to Runnable and uploaded it right here. Now, obviously, I'm not asking the AI to copy this design exactly. Instead, I'm using it as inspiration while explaining the type of landing page I want to build. So I'll paste a prompt like this. Redesign the uploaded hero section into a premium luxury travel landing page for Aurora while preserving its overall layout, composition, spacing, and modern editorial aesthetic. The rest of the prompt includes more details about the design style, animations, and content. I've shared all of these prompts in the description below, so feel free to use them as a reference for your own projects. Okay, next we have the model selector, which is set to auto by default. Here you can choose how much reasoning power you want to give the AI for your task. If you're tackling your most demanding projects that require the deepest reasoning and planning, Ultra gives the agent the highest level of performance. Max is ideal for more complex work. Normal is perfect for everyday creation tasks like videos, spreadsheets, and other lightweight projects. So, since we're only asking the agent to build a hero section instead of a complete website, I'm going to select the Max mode, which is still a very powerful option for tasks like this. Okay, now we also have the Plan option right here. If you enable it, the agent will first research your request, ask any necessary clarification questions, and generate a complete execution plan before it starts building. But since my prompt is already very detailed and the task is fairly straightforward, I'm going to skip plan mode for this tutorial. Before sending the prompt, make sure you've selected the Build Website tool. Later in the video, we'll also use the image generator and video generator, so always double check that you've chosen the correct tool for the job. Once everything is ready, simply click Send. And just like that, the agent gets to work. Before generating anything, it asks a few clarification questions to make sure it fully understands my request. The first question is about the hero background image I mentioned in the prompt. Since I don't want to add one yet, I'll simply leave it blank. Next, it asks about the destination carousel. It even offers to automatically select 5 or 6 iconic destinations with matching images, which is pretty convenient. I'll leave that blank as well and continue. The following question asks how I'd like the AI to source any images it needs. Just choose the option that best fits your project and move on. Finally, it asks whether I only want a front-end hero section, a version with a functional inquiry form, or even a complete multi-section landing page. I think that's really impressive because it gives you the flexibility to scale your project right from the start. I'm going to choose the third option, and that's it. The agent begins building everything for me. It analyzes my prompt, gathers the information it needs, generates the required assets, writes the code, and assembles the entire design automatically. After just a few minutes, the generation is complete, and right here we can see the final result. There we go. Right here we have a beautiful premium hero section with a fully functional destination carousel, smooth hover effects, elegant animations, and a clean luxury aesthetic. Below that, we have a featured destinations section showcasing breathtaking locations in a modern editorial layout. Next comes the luxury experience section, where we highlight the exclusive services and benefits travelers can expect. After that, we have a testimonial section to build trust and credibility. And finally, we wrap everything up with a clean call to action section and a modern footer that gives the entire website a polished, professional finish. Also, don't forget that you can always go ahead and modify your website, change, add, or remove any section or feature whenever you want. Runable also has this edit option at the top of the interface. Once you enable it, you can simply select any individual element or even an entire section on your website and apply changes to it with a simple prompt. For example, I'm going to select this div element that contains these 3 cards and ask my agent to apply a smooth 3D hover effect to them. I hit send, then click the apply button, and within just a few moments, the agent updates the project and applies the changes for us. There we go. Looks amazing, right? Okay, now if I scroll up to the hero section and then try to expand the screen like this, we can see that the website is fully responsive across different screen sizes. Let's also check it on mobile. There we go, everything looks great. The only thing I'd like to change here is the hero section. I want to replace the static background with a cinematic video to make it feel even more premium. To do that, I first need to remove this element from the center. So once again, I enable the edit option, target the element, and ask the agent to remove it for me. That's it. It already looks much cleaner. But I also want to make this featured escapes card a little smaller. So once again, I enable edit mode, select the element, and ask the AI to apply the changes I want. It's honestly super easy to work with. Now, while the agent is working on those changes, I'm going to search for an image to use as the background of my hero section. I found this image, which I think is a perfect fit for the project, so I go ahead and download it or simply take a screenshot. Of course, I can't use the image exactly as it is, so I'm going to use Runable's image generator to enhance the quality and expand the image so it fits perfectly as a website background. Our agent is still working on the website, but no worries. One of the great things about Runable is that you can run multiple tasks at the same time. So I'll simply open a new tab, and as you can see, our project is still running here. From here, I'll select the Create Image tool, upload the image I want to enhance, describe the changes I need, switch the model to Ultra for the best quality, and hit Send. Within just a few moments, the AI generates the enhanced version for us, and there we have it. The result looks perfect. I'll go ahead and download it. Next, I'm going to animate this image and use the video as the background of my hero section. Again, Runable has you covered. I open another new tab, select the Generate Video tool, upload the image, and simply describe the animation I want. I'll keep it on Ultra for the best possible results, then hit Send. After just a few minutes, the AI creates a beautiful cinematic animation that works perfectly as a website hero background. I download the video and head back to my project. Now everything is ready. I upload the video into the chat and enter a prompt like this. Add my uploaded video as the full screen responsive background of the hero section. The video must completely cover the hero using object fit. Cover, autoplay, loop, play inline, remain muted, and stay behind all content. That's it. I hit send and the agent takes care of the rest. And there we go. Now we have the background video in our hero section, but it looks like the agent has added a dark overlay on top of the video, which I don't really like. So I simply ask it to remove the overlay, allowing the video to be fully visible. And there we go. That looks much better now. So just like that, you can continue adding new elements, creating more sections, implementing backend features, and refining your app until it's ready for real-world use. Once you've finished your project, Runable makes deployment incredibly easy. Just click the Publish button in the top right corner. From here, you can customize your subdomain if you'd like, configure your project's visibility and availability settings, and then simply click Publish. That's it. In less than a minute, Runable deploys your project and gives you a live URL that you can instantly share with anyone around the world. There we go. And just like that, we've gone from a simple idea to a beautiful, fully responsive landing page using nothing but AI. As you can see, Runable isn't just another AI chatbot. It's a complete AI workspace that can help you design, build, edit, generate images and videos, and even deploy your projects, all from one place. If you'd like to try it for yourself, make sure to check out the first link in the description below. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more AI content, and let me know in the comments what you'd like me to build next with Runable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.